3-stone ring. This is the setup for a 3-stone ring. Let me delete this. It's broken up into 3 sections. When you start, you can turn off the crosshairs. It's the open shank. Let's change the color to something custom. You can see blue. Let's go, because it's a shank, let's go green. So that first part is built here, and the gold under ring here, bridge, is here as well. Now we are using finger size, Orient Girdle Universal Profile Smooth, Sweep 1, Rose Gold. Okay, so this profile here is the under gallery profile there. Let's go with channel. If I rotate this another 90 degrees, you'll see the channel there. Okay. And you can change the width, the thickness, the width. Now, orient the ring top, the profile maker here, and we have a top profile and a bottom profile, and we are joining the curve used to make the top bend here. So that adjusts this up here. Now you can adjust the bend. That's this bend in here. Okay, we're using a half round at the top, but we can use, let's go square. And at the bottom, we're going to go round. Now you can see there's a gap in this. It's not joined together completely because we're using half a ring and mirroring it to the opposite side. And by doing that, we still have 2 closed B-reps, left side, right side, but there's a gap in between here. So when you print it, you can put something in here to fill the gap. Usually I would use a casting gate. I'd scale it up and scale it wider, and then move it up in the Z. And that will work for the casting gate, and that'll join these together. Okay? So there's the shank. That's the first part, the open shank. The second part is the center stone. And let's change the colors here too. Let's do ruby red, and let's do rose gold. Okay, so you can see the center is made here. We're using a hidden basket for the center, and we're using a cushion right now, but you can use a round brilliant and it'll work the same. When things disappear like this just did at the bottom there, and it's the bottom rail, we can adjust it slightly and it'll come back. So whenever something disappears, it just means you have to shake something around to find out what's there. So now it's a round instead of a cushion. We go to princess cut. There's a princess cut. We can adjust the location of the bottom rail as well, and the claws, and the claw location. That's the orient to ring, ring size, geometry. Now we're ungrouping it down here. We're sorting it out, and in the ungroup, we got untrimmed surfaces, closed B-reps, and a mesh. The mesh is usually there, and the untrimmed surface and B-reps are usually the claws and basket. Now, what we have is side stones. And the same applies. We're using the hidden rail, and we can change the color. It's blue, we're going to white. Let's go to yellow. You can see in the end here, as we work backwards, there's the mirror, so this would be the one finished piece in here. You can adjust the location, move it up and down. You can adjust the rotation. So this is the beauty of AJ. You can work backwards and just correct whatever you want. Change the stones. Once you change the stones, you can adjust things around, because this is a basic 3-stone ring. So if you're making a basic 3-stone ring, you can use this and just adjust it to whatever stones that you have or are going to use. Okay. Thank you for watching.